What's good, y'all? Today I have the highly anticipated collaboration between a Bathing Ape and Adidas on the Adidas Forum 84 Low. I got them here and I got them early. This collaboration with Adidas and a Bathing Ape celebrates the 30th anniversary of the Bathing Ape brand. These two iconic brands, Adidas and a Bathing Ape, Bape for short, have joined forces once again, and this time they've directed their attention toward another three stripes icon, the Forum Low. So this 30th anniversary shoe features two colorways. We have the blue that I have here, and we also have a green colorway. Both of the shoes are decked out in the Japanese brand's signature ABC Camo, and both of them have different touches to them. The green pair that I don't have has gold accents, while the blue pair that I do have right here in my hand has silver accents. Once again, I got them early. This review is about to go crazy because I'm very excited to have this shoe here today and to put them on my feet. This collaboration on the Adidas Forum 84 Low marks 3 decades that Bape and Adidas have been collaborating. The collaboration stem all the way back to 2003, if I'm not mistaken, and they've done collaborations on the NMDs, they've done collaborations on the campuses, the superstars, a bunch of Adidas shoes. It's been 3 decades, that is crazy. My favorite collaboration between Bape and Adidas has to be the collaboration I did with Neighborhood as well. It was a 3-way collaboration with Adidas, Bape, and Neighborhood on the Adidas NMD R1. I really wanted them. I did not get my hands on them, but now after this video, I'm gonna have to go on Go to see if I can get that collaboration for a decent price. Let's get into this anniversary pair real quick. So this shoe is decked out in a bunch of blue tones and blue hues. We also have silver accents. We have a 30th anniversary Bape logo here on the lace lock. We have silver a Bathing Ape on the strap. We also have like a nice sparkling silver on the tongue that says 30th anniversary. We have a silver Bape head on the side. And that's all the silver that I'm seeing right now. I'm a huge fan of the silver accents. I feel like the silver accents get the blue to just pop. Without the blue, without the silver, this shoe just wouldn't work. And all the blue, all the silver sits on top of a creamy aged midsole and a blue outsole. We do have white on the uppers. We have white on the toe box, and we also have white on the tongue. We have white on the sides. So we do have white going throughout the shoe, but Adidas and Bape chose to have that aged look on the outsole, probably because right now in 2023, the aged look is really what's popping right now. I'm perfectly fine with that. I feel like the aged look adds that nice little detail to the shoe, and it has been 30 years of Bape, so maybe the aged look is represent the 30 years of Bape. The Adidas and Bape Forum Low anniversary pair is packed with a ton of details to represent Adidas, Bape, and 30 years. We have the signature ABC Camo in blue going all throughout the mudguard, eyestays, collar, heel, and the lockdown strap. We have Bape branding all throughout. We have a custom 30th logo with the iconic Bape head appearing on the lace dubrae. We also have that iconic Bape head on the side of the shoe. A Bathing Ape takes over the branding window on the lockdown strap, like I mentioned earlier. And the tongue tag also features another hit of the 30th anniversary logo in that sparkly silver. Although this shoe is packed full of Bape branding and designs all throughout, we still have Adidas branding. It's a must. It's an 84 Forum Low. We have Adidas logo on the side with the 3 stripes, and also on the outsole on the heel with the Adidas and the tree foil. This is actually not my first pair of an Adidas and Bape co-branded shoe. I actually got the Bape and Adidas Superstars right behind me in my collection. Let me get them for y'all real quick so I can give y'all a little sneak peek of those.
2,000 years later.
All right, so here I have the Adidas Superstar 80s in the Bape colorway or Bape collaboration colorway. We have an amazing box. I'm gonna get into the Adidas Forum Low 84 collaboration box in a moment, so don't go anywhere. This shoe is one of my favorites in my collection. Besides the high quality packaging, we just have an amazing shoe. Let me open up the box. We have the toe right here of the Superstars, and let's just get into the shoe. Boom. Amazing. We have on the outside, we have the Bape star with a Bathing Ape branding and the signature ABC camo all throughout in the green. On the lace, we have just a Bape logo in gold. We have a Bathing Ape and Adidas branding right here on the tongue. On the back, on the heel, we got the Bape stuff. Perfect pair, can't really complain. This was the right shoe. Let me show you the left real quick. On the left, the outside, we have Adidas branding, well, Adidas three stripes, and the Adidas Superstar branding. While on the right pair, we had that Bapesta logo. And on the back of this one, Adidas instead of Bapesta. But we still have that Bape branding on the lace here, while this tongue features Adidas logo and not the Bape logo. I'm not too sure what year this came out. I'll probably put the words up on the screen because I'm not sure at the moment. I got my pair from GOAT. I paid a little bit over retail. I did not know these were coming out when they did, and I missed it, so I paid that little ticket. I'm fine with that. These shoes are fire. I got them here. Unfortunately, these are an 11.5, which is half size smaller than my normal size is size 12, so I don't wear them as much as I would like, but that's perfectly fine. I do get my fits off with these, but now I'm gonna stop wasting your time and I'm gonna get into the shoe that y'all really came here for. So, getting back into the Adidas 84 Forum, we got to get into the box because the box features specialty packaging, which I am a huge fan of. So, at the top, we have once again that ABC camo in blue with silver 3 stripes. We go to the side, co-branding, Adidas, Bape with both the 3 stripes coming down. That same thing on the other side. This side just Bape, but on this side we have Adidas logo on top right here, Bape style logo right here, and we also have the tag. So the tag reads Forum 84 Bape Low. These are an 11.5, just like my Adidas Superstars. I'm gonna try to get them in a size 12 because once again, this pair is early. They don't release until May 20th. So I have a chance to try to cop again in my size, a US size 12. But the colorway of the shoe is white. I can't actually read what this is saying. It says FTWWHT, which I'm assuming is white. SUPCOL, super cool, maybe. And then we have white. I'm not too sure what the colorway is supposed to read, but we know it's white, off-white with blue, a little bit of silver. I'm sorry for putting this in the video and not actually knowing what this says, but hey, it is what it is, right? Let's get back into the box though. Opening it up for y'all real quick. We have an amazing white and gray ABC camo on the paper. Show out to y'all real quick. Boom, right here on the paper. And then we have a Bape and Adidas book bag, dust bag. I'm a big fan of that. I love when brands give y'all a little extra throwaways for free of charge. It is the 30th anniversary pair, so great addition. Thank you very much, Adidas and Bape. And then we have extra laces, but the extra laces come in co-branding envelopes. We have Adidas and Bape co-branding. Let's see what kind of laces we got here today. I actually have not opened these yet, so we're seeing it here for the first time together. This one we just have plain simple blue laces, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. As of right now, from what I've seen, I'm going to definitely keep the laces that are in the shoe right now. I don't remember what colorway they are. Oh, plain simple white. As of right now, between the blue laces and the white laces are definitely staying. Let's see what's in the next envelope. Boom, next envelope. Let's open that up real quick. We have, okay, we have the Bape ABC Camo blue laces. Give you a quick little look. Boom, boom right here. I think if I throw these on, it would make the shoe way too crazy, like it would pop way too much. Maybe I'll do one shoe white, one shoe this ABC camo. I don't know, I'll keep y'all posted, but great addition. Even if I don't use them, once again, I love when brands give you that little extra additive. It just makes it all worthwhile. Getting into the outsole of the shoe, just that regular Forum Low outsole. We have light blue right here on the pivot circle. We have trefoils in blue. The middle, just that cream color. Nothing too crazy with these. Very nice and simple. Before we go any further, my name is Chris Claxton and this is my platform, Something Light Media, a hub for all things sneakers, photography, videography, fashion, and just simply culture. This is my sneaker series, Kicks Are for Chris, because my name is Chris and kicks are definitely for me. If you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way for me and it means something very small and minuscule for you. Once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you like what you see here, show me some love, let me know. In the comments below, let me know. Just tell me how you feel real quick. Let's move forward though. If you're a fan of Adidas and Bape, mark your calendars for May 20th because this collaboration is dropping online and in stores. You definitely want to get your hands on these because if you don't, you will not be able to get them for below retail or at retail after the release. I promise you these will sell. They will go crazy and the resale might be in the 300s. So once again, May 20th, mark your calendars, get your hands on these shoes or you will regret it. You can find this pair and the green pair online through Adidas Confirmed, adidas.com, and Bape, and wherever sneaker retailers that you usually shop with that sell high collabs like this one right here. Once again, mark your calendars and don't miss out on this fire collab. Mark your calendars, get it on May 20th. Because if you don't, I don't want to hear about it. I told you, get the shoe, don't sleep, get the shoe, don't sleep. But that's all I got for y'all today on the Adidas 84 Forum Low in the Bape 30th anniversary collaboration colorway and collaboration pair. Once again, I just checked in, now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching. Let me know how you feel about the shoe in the comments. Peace. Thank you for watching.